When people think they have a power of attorney, but really don't. I was having a conversation with a bank branch manager the other day about estate planning. This lady told me that one of her biggest problems is that people come in and say, oh, I need to do this, that, and the other. I'm power of attorney. And then they ask for the documentation and they go, well, what do I need documentation for? She said I have power of attorney. They ask for it and then they get mad because she's asking for the documentation. And then they go and get the documentation, which is like a 2-page letter with very limited responsibilities that is not notarized, has no witnesses, like nothing. And then they get even more mad when they refuse to enforce it. To have power of attorney is you can't just say it. You also can't just write on a piece of paper and say, this is what I want them to do. In order to have power of attorney, it has to be spelled out exactly the powers you are giving to somebody else so that they can execute those things on your behalf if you cannot. Unfortunately, there's a lot of people who try to abuse that. There are some that are trying to do it because it's the right thing and they waited too long and didn't get one while the person was still well. Ultimately, the best thing you can do is have a power of attorney just in case something terrible happens. That way somebody can step in and take care of those things for you because they cannot do it just out of the goodness of their heart. They can't do it because they're your spouse. They can't do it because you're a kid. They can't do it because you're the parent. You have to have a power of attorney to be able to do certain things on behalf of somebody else. You can't just say it.